Emergency alert! A tsunami has resulted in major collapses in our defenses. Our intel tells us that GTI plan to take advantage of this and launch an attack. In the wake of disaster, they cannot resist fanning the flames of conflict. Fall in and take down any GTI forces you see. Fortify our defenses at all weak points. Beware of paratroopers from above. Show them no mercy. Drown them in the sea if you must. Protect your sectors and hold your ground. They're going to come hard and fast.
Here's your tip!
Enemy troops are attacking Objective Alpha. Allied forces are attacking Objective Bravo 2. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Changing back!
Now that's what I call prime time!
Strategic beacon deployed.
Got one! Request artillery barrage on coordinates!
Enemy didn't break our line. We've repelled the enemy's defense and pay no attention to the accusations made by GTI. They have turned into a rabid dog sabotaging Skynet, destroying our transport lines, and stealing the energy resources we would have used to create a better world. A new order must be established. GTI is on the offensive and will strike at you. Guard your sectors. Keep attacking. Still strong, but we must hold this sector. The enemy forces are down to half. This sector will be ours.
Hang in there! I'm here! Our line, our defensive position